Hello there friends, I hope you're feeling bright. Today we've got a Game Boy Color in our sight. Once it was clear, now it's yellow and old. A gaming treasure waiting to be retold. Look at this console, all brown with no glare. Time has changed its color from its original clear. I'm going to fix it, make it look brand new. A console restoration that I'll show all of you. First, I take apart the console with care, unscrewing each piece with a gentle flare. The plastic screen cover comes off with a push. Then metal parts next, without any rush. A hairdryer helps me, with the stickers stuck tight. Warming them up makes them come off just right. I place them on a paper to keep them clean. No dust will touch them or I'll cause a scene. With a cotton swab and some IPA, I wipe off the sticky bits that want to stay. My enclosure is ready, with foil all around. With some UV light strips, brightness is found. A plastic box waiting with hydrogen mix. 10% strong, my yellowing fix. I put on some gloves to protect my skin, carefully pouring the liquid in. The yellow parts sink in the chemical bath. A heavy piece holds them, avoiding mishap. 24 hours in this special space, waiting to see the console's new face. Rinse and dry with a soft cloth so neat, the pieces come out, the restore is complete. I examine the pieces with a satisfied smile, not totally clear, but improved by a mile. A slight hint of yellow, but clear and so bright, the restore worked its magic. Oh, what a delight. Stickers go back, metal pieces in place. The screen wiped clean with delicate grace. The old screen protector, all scratched and worn. A new one so shiny, just perfectly born. I peel off its cover with a big happy smile. Stick it in place, this is totally worthwhile. Oops, I got excited and rushed the reassembly. I forgot the buttons, but at least it's no biggie. Back out comes the board, with a chuckle, no doubt. Buttons go in, there, I sort it all out. Pop in some batteries, turn it on with the light, the screen comes to life. Everything's right. For a kid or a grown-up who loves to game the old way, this Game Boy Color is now ready to play. And since it's Christmas time, I would like to say Merry Christmas to all. Have a wonderful day.